Okay, so we have our valve block assembled, converted to closed center. Hoses are tied onto this side of it on our pressure and tank lines. First step then is also to look location of where you want to mount this, keep in consideration your line length and position. Like if you have tire rub marks or something like that, you want to keep everything to the inside best you can. We'll get the valve mounted up next, and then we'll start cable layout. Okay, so we have our valve mounted up. We just made sure it's nice and clear. Be able to swivel, not hit anything there. Sometimes if you need to add a spacer underneath the block to make sure it's up and away, if there's edges of steel and welds, things that you just don't want to interfere with. But overall, this one went on really nice and easy. Recommend put your studs in first, then just slap your plate on the bottom. And nice feed. We're going to follow the lines up here and loop everything in to the remotes on the tractor. And next step, we'll mount our module and just start allocating lines to that.